Alright, what about this? Paul done a wee video where he gutted one of these here. Good wee video. Get yourselves over and watch it, or if you haven't watched. It's a MasterLock Magnum series. So I'm going to try and pick it here. I had about 4 or 5 of these, but I can only find this one, so I don't know where. It's been a long time I've messed about with these, but I'm going to use a wee collaboration pick. It's a Kerpiche pick with a Bosnian Bill 3D printed handle. I have a can, like, so I did pick it there before the video because nobody wants to see me fluffing about with a master for half an hour. There you are. 4 pins. Standard pins. I'll try back of the pick. Opened. Try raking it. That's that pick there. See for raking. The actual slope on the pick needs to be more aggressive, so that one's too gradual, the slope's too gradual, too nice, you know what I mean? So you need something a wee bit more aggressive, a bit more of a slope, a serious slope up, you know, so try a different pick for it. My goodness, huh? It took a wee while, didn't it? Try again. Guess it's all about attention now, but I missed it that time. Oh, eventually. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.